And I saw the first one this season yesterday morning out on our patio here at the station, and then they were flying around me.
Yeah.
And here we are, yeah, 4 years early, but we are still going to have the big emergence then. This is just a few early risers.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize that we're still going to have that, you know, coming out then in a few more years.
Right, 2021 is the big one. It's the biggest one in the United States. Northern Ohio had theirs last year, which I was a part of that too.
Ugh.
Yeah,
no
it's a lot, and I have another picture that was sent into our Fox 45 Facebook page, and we'll show that here right now. This picture coming from Vandalia. So this is something that's happening all over the Miami Valley, not just in a few spots. I saw them in Miamisburg yesterday. Of course, we just saw West Alexandria, and here's Vandalia. This is Asia Haywood sending this in, and we have about 5 of them on the group here. Of course, the dead molt there. This is the actual adult cicada, typically 17 years, but they're coming out just a little bit early. If you have cicada photos, you can just send it to us like we just showed you on our Fox 45 app, and I'll share it on my Facebook page, Mike Joyce, or on Twitter at MikeFox45 now. But the other big story tonight, a storm rolling through Springfield as we speak, although most of the lightning is concentrated just to the northwest a little bit near Christiansburg, Northampton, and then we also have some lightning near Lisbon, Catawba, South Charleston, and again that stretches all along I-70, even South Vienna seeing lightning to the south. But we'll zoom out just a little bit to see the whole overall picture. Just heavy rain along I-70, and that's pretty much it. We're wrapping up the storm threat south of Montgomery County, although we do still have a flood advisory for Warren and Clinton County until midnight. I do anticipate that might be dropped earlier, or at least the flooding threat is diminishing. Here's our Kettering Health Network Skycam over downtown. Some rain falling and a very low ceiling right now, but otherwise we're seeing less and less lightning. Out in St. Luke's School in Beaver Creek, everything's wet and we're down to 67 degrees, and I think that's going to be our low for the night. We're going to stay in the upper 60s, but then another round of rain comes at us tomorrow morning. This will be a more steady rain lasting through the first half of the day, maybe another rumble of thunder with it, but I think our threat for severe weather is over at this point. Then that tapers off in the afternoon. We start drying out, and by Monday we're going to be in much better shape. So for the last day of Hamvention tomorrow, yes, we're going to have to fight a little bit of rain through the first half of the day, but by 5 o'clock, wrapping things up, we can put away the umbrellas and we'll be in better shape at that point. So not exactly the best day for mowing the lawn, except for the evening if we get a little bit of sunshine to dry out the grass, although I think Sunday is actually one of the worst days of the next 4 to mow the lawn. Monday being the best because we'll have no rain at all. Tuesday, very late day rain, but I think most of the day is okay. And Wednesday, much like Sunday, not the best day for it. But we're still getting a lot of moisture ahead of a cold front tomorrow, so still in the mid-70s for Sunday. But once the front passes through, we start drying out. High pressure takes over from Monday and Tuesday, but beyond that, we're watching our next weather maker bring Wednesday and Thursday rain and much cooler temperatures. So Monday is going to be the best day in the 7-day, 71 degrees, sunny, not humid at all. Tuesday, a little warmer, but look what happens by Saturday, Memorial Day weekend, the furry scurry. We've been talking about it on the morning show for months now. Finally happening on Memorial Day weekend, and it looks like it's going to be a warm one and dry this year.